Yo, what is going on, guys? It's Sam here, and today I'm bringing you a new vlog. In today's vlog, we're finally going to be able to drive the E30. We already got the clutch master cylinder, the slate cylinder, and all the lines, so it should be an easy install, and we should be able to drive the Project E30. All right, guys, so let me show you the old parts. Here's the master cylinder. I'm sorry I couldn't be recording how to take these out. I took this out a couple weeks ago because I thought the parts was going to come in a week, but I had to cut this bolt out. Also with the slate cylinder, I had to cut the line out because the bolt was also stripped and rusted, so I didn't care for it. I just wanted to replace everything. Now this is the new clutch master cylinder. Looks way better, way newer, no cracks or nothing on the bushing. And the slate cylinder, here it goes, looks pretty good, new. Well, it got rusted a little bit because I left the window down on the E30 and it was raining the other day, so a little bit rusted, but it's okay. Here's the ECS tuning slate line. Looks pretty good. It's gonna look good under the car. And we got the hard line from Chase Base. I heard they're a good company, so I went with them, and hopefully it all turns out to be smoothly. Let's get it, guys. Okay, guys, so I finally got the clutch master cylinder out. I wasn't really recording because it was 80% of me crying and 20% of me working. Now I got the line connected back to the little tank, and now I gotta go under the car and connect the slate cylinder and connect the hoses together, bleed out the clutch system, and we should be good. Oh, that was very painful, guys. I never want to do that again. Okay, guys, so right now I'm about to add a little bit of more brake fluid, and then I'm gonna try to bleed out the slate cylinder, and this should be all good. Hopefully it goes smoothly and the clutch problem is solved. If not, I'm gonna see what else I can do. Let me go ahead and start the stuff. Alright, guys, before I start the car, it is going to be loud. The belts are going to be squeaking. We already know that's a problem. We already got that on the list to buy. We got to buy all the pulleys and fix this vacuum leak. So don't comment down below saying, oh, fix your pulleys, because I know it's bad. But I want to show this driving clip, and let's get it. Thomas going to hold the camera, and I'm going to back it up, see if it works. Let's get it, guys. Alright, guys, the belt's going to be loud. Kind of a warning. Let's get it. Alright, guys, right now I'm about to hold the clutch and put in first gear, see if it moves. If it do, I got it. Let's get it. Guys, I think I got it. Let me take it for a ride. Alright guys, this car is somewhat drivable now after 8 years. You know, it's been sitting for 8 years. It didn't start, it didn't drive when I first bought it. Now I got it to start, and now in this video I got it to drive for the first time. Guys, it feels so good. It's just smooth. The brakes does need a little more bleeding, but next thing in the progress is fixing the pulleys and fixing the idling issue, and I think we should be good. Guys, I'm super happy, guys. I can't believe I finally got it to drive. Once we get the idling and the pulleys fixed, guys, this E30 can finally hang out with all the other BMWs. It's gonna finally be able to hang out with the E46 and the 335i. I just can't wait. I have big things coming for the E30. Now that I know that the E30 can drive and it starts after 8 years, now I gotta find the issue. Now all I gotta do is fix that idling issue and fix the pulleys, and this car is completely good to drive. And now I can go ahead and add like the bumpers, coilovers, wheels, get it painted, do the whole engine bay restoration. But right now I'm gonna test if I got any vacuum leaks. I'm gonna do it like a little cheap way I saw on YouTube. You just get a bottle of soapy water, turn on the car, spray all the hoses, see if bubbles come out, and if it don't, then I don't have no vacuum leaks. But I don't know if it works, so I'm gonna just try to see what I got going. So I'm gonna just go ahead and try to clean this again, the throttle body again, and the match sensor again. Hopefully that fixes the issue. I'm literally clueless, guys, so I'm not a mechanic. I think I'm gonna go ahead and pay a mechanic to come tell me what the problem is, just to tell me, and then I can like replace it in the video. But I'm really clueless. I already tried multiple things, but I don't know. I don't want to be spending a lot of money like buying new parts and replacing everything if I don't have to. But let me go ahead and take the ICV out, clean the throttle body, and all this once again. Let's get it. Okay guys, so here it goes, and when you shake it, I don't know if you can hear that noise. It's supposed to do that. So I don't think this is bad, but it might be, I don't know. Alright guys, so I just cleaned the map sensor, the idle control valve, cleaned the throttle body, and cleaned a little bit the TPS, but none of them fixed the idle issue, and I really don't know where I should start from now. I think I need to hire a mechanic to tell me what it is, and I can replace it. I really want to do everything on this car on my own, but I think I gotta find a mechanic to tell me what it is. Alright guys, well I'm gonna go ahead and end the video because we do have a bad hurricane coming, and I want this E30 to be safe, also the E46 and the 335i. And I'm very happy in this vlog because we finally got it to drive after 8+ years, and it drives pretty smooth. I just need to fix the idle issue, and it'll be 100%, and we can go ahead and start the whole restoration project. But guys, let me know if you enjoyed this video. Drop a comment, subscribe if you're new, and as always, it's been Cervantes Garage. Stay humble, stay blessed. We out. Peace.